Okay, can see my sharing, right? Okay, I share this link to you guys again in case you guys need it. So this is a quite okay. I mean, like a learning platform, right? They have these 50 days challenges for us. All right. So in case you guys missed out last week, this session, I do pick one of this from for the last week session. I did this content placeholder, right? So they got 50-day challenges from here. You can like pick anyone to learn on. So today I'll be doing this scroll animation. So all right. So basically, when you scroll down, the content float from left and right come out alternately. Okay, when you scroll up, it go back up, right? You can see it. Okay, so basically today we'll be building this simple animation, scroll animation. Right, okay. So let's get started. Okay, let's get my CSS link up. Right, and link up my source. Right. Okay, let's test. Open live server. Okay, it's working. Right. Okay. So let's see. They got a title. Okay. Which one? Scroll to see the animation. Okay. Let's punch off this holder, content holder. Right. Get a div for each. And then put it maybe use two tag, right? Inside is a content. And each of div give it a class lah. Name it maybe box, right? Uh, let's copy paste. Okay. So yeah, one of these shortcut is that how can I do it is that you press your alternate shift and down arrow, so you can see you can very fast. Okay. Okay. So I make it like okay very fast. So alternate shift and down arrow. Okay, you can copy the content from the line you hover at. Okay, so okay, content, right? Let's start this up. Okay, some margin. Sorry, it's Chinese word. Margin 0. Okay, and padding 0. Okay, and yeah, another like shortcut key I would like to share is that usually we have like, okay, let's say I go back like margin. Okay, let's say like margin, then I press 0, right? Then I have to like go arrow right and then enter, right? So instead of arrow right and then enter, okay, I need someone in first. Someone admit already. Okay, so I control enter. Okay, you can just direct go to the bottom line. So padding and 0, right? You control enter. Okay, box sizing, border box. Okay, standard. So next will be I started everything under the body, right? First body, make it content, make it center, right? Display, let them flex direction, make it in the column, right? Okay, and then justify content center, align item center. Okay, nice. And then style each of the div. We use the box, right? Okay, dot box. We make it a margin maybe 20. Okay, cool. And give it a background. We can see it. Okay, give it a aqua lah. Okay, we give it a padding, maybe top and bottom. All right, so and 50 px. Okay, right, maybe larger lah, like 100 the top, 150. Okay, so for the first column is a top and bottom, right? For the behind this is the next is left and right. Okay, so it's kind of easier instead of you padding top, padding left, padding right, padding bottom, right? So you put it in a line, right? Okay. So what else? Make it some border radius. Okay, 20 px. Oh, I think almost there. Right, give it a h2, sorry, h2. Color, make it white. Okay, font size for we mean, okay, make it 10. Okay, cool. See, the font size, I make it make the larger. You see, if I do pixel, 100 pixel, okay, it larger with the content as well. Okay, never mind. This what I mean. Okay, almost there. So they got this animation, right? So as animation, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so they got left, right, left, right. So for, okay, make it a box. We have this transition, transition of uh wait okay, the left, right, right. Okay, so we can make it hidden first. Okay, so how can we make that hidden? We transform it so by x-axis. Okay, so left right is a x-axis and is a vertical is a y-axis lah. So horizontal is x-axis. So we make it 100%. So they all gone missing, right? 100. Okay, on the left, and okay, all go to the right. Okay, can. And then there is alternate, one left, one right, one left, one right. So okay, let's give it this dot box, and then end chow in end of type. Okay, even, make it the second, the odd even, right? Okay, make it the even to the right. Okay, so this is the even, 1 2 3. The fourth one is the even from the left. Okay, from the left we make it a transform, translate x-axis. Okay, since it's positive is going to right, so negative is going to the left. Okay, let's see, do it work? Yes, it's working. I make it smaller, 10% first lah. Okay, let you guys see. Okay, you can see the odd number. Okay, 1 3 5. Okay, going to the right is positive, going to the right. Okay, make it a 50%. You can see it clearer. Okay, going to the right, 100%. Okay, make it 400%. Okay, totally missing. So for negative is going to the left. For this is a even of the chow. Okay, even number, right? Even number. This. So make it 100. Okay, going to the right. Make it 200. Okay, nice. Everything missing. Make them come back first lah. Right. Make them come back first. Okay, make them come back first. And then they have this. I give them some second transition, second, if it the transform sorry, maybe 1 second at least lah. Okay, then we try. Okay, make it missing. So okay, for this we have to, when they scroll, okay, it come out. So basically at first they are at like 400 positive and 400 negative, so they hide beyond this window here, right? So when eventually when we scroll down, it will come out left, right, left, right. Okay, so we have to apply some to them, right? Some function. So okay, let's call those boxes come out boxes. Okay, document dot query selector or okay. Why query selector or okay? You can hover it to see if query selector is the only element, the first element of the name, right? Of the we call it okay. So dot box, right? Box, right? Okay. So if all, we will call all the element that have this class. If no all, only the first element that has this class, right? Okay, we put it all, and then this is a window. Add event listener to this. Okay, this is a whole window. So this event is scroll function, right? Scroll event, scroll, and then give a name lah for the function. Right. So check boxes. Okay, so the function check boxes, right? Okay, I'll get me. I'll done this, then I'll explain to you guys. Okay, so let them trigger them. Okay, window. After I done typing, I'll explain to you guys. Inner height divided by 5 times 4, right? Then boxes, for each of the boxes, we call them, right? Box arrow function. Let them inside, right? The box top. Okay, box get bounding client react. Okay, the top. I'll explain this later. If the box top is trigger bottom, right? Box dot. Okay, I haven't added the class yet to show them. Hold on. With box. Okay, box dot show. Right, so eventually they will coming out. So the transform will be back at the position. So which is translate x is 0. Okay, let's make this missing again. 400. Negative 400. Okay, all gone missing. When we call this class, right, they will come back to the original position, which is at 0. Okay. When box class list dot show dot add dot add show else box dot remove show. Okay, let's see, does this work? Okay, it's coming out. All right, yeah, it's working. When you scroll up there, okay, it gone. Okay, it's working perfectly, right? Similar to what they have. They come out faster lah. Mine is come out slower. I think this animation, you can make it faster, maybe 0.5 second. Try okay, come out faster, right? Okay, let me explain this. Okay, let's see what is window dot inner height. Window dot inner height. Okay, so window dot inner height, actually you can see from here. Okay, this is the outer height of the window. This is the inner height, which is from here to here. You can see my mouse cursor hovering at. All right, so this is the inner height. Okay, let's see. Okay, now okay, you can see the inner height okay. Window height is going. You can resize the higher and the okay. right? Okay, and let's see what is this getting bounce react. Okay, so basically this syntax, okay, so you can see our viewport. This is our viewport as the window height, right? The window, inner height, okay. So our viewport, this is the element which is this box, okay. The box to the top, right here, is the y, this is the x, and the bottom of the box to the height of the viewport is the bottom, okay. This is to the right. So I think they have example here, right? Okay, okay, you can see this this box to the viewport. From this you can see the y value, all right, okay, and the top value. As long as we go scroll down, the y value is negative, because when the box to the top is no longer is stick to the top, you see, is decreasing the value of the top. Is eventually when it hit the top, it will become 0. Okay, you guys get me? Can see the the y-axis, which is moving. All right, you see the y value and the top value. All right, and the bottom value as well. The bottom value is calculated from here to here. Okay, this whole. So the equation here, why am I doing this, is that we have to check the box, this box, okay, to the top, okay, meaning from here to here. All right, this is the top section of the box. All right, and the window inner height, okay, let's have this window inner height. This is the whole page height. All right, we can, okay, this is the whole page height. Okay, let divide by 5. Okay, I do a simple calculation, like divide by 5 is 779 divided by 5 times 4 is 623. So the height, window inner height, we get it is until here lah. We divide by 5 section, 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see there's a 4 section, right? So when the box top is this less than the trigger bottom, which is the inner height. All right, so it divide by 5 section, right, times 4. So basically it's around here. Okay, it's less than, they will show, right? You can see when it's more than the box top, you can see at the next box, when it come up, it's eventually is the top will be increasing, right? It will show, and eventually when you scroll up, the top section will be lesser and lesser, like this lah. When we scroll down, the top section will be negative, right? Okay, so same to this here. All right, so it will this is mine, it will. All right, so eventually when we scroll up, okay, so this is basically the concept lah. All right, let's see, do you guys understand what I'm talking about? I mean this concept.
Can.
Can you understand the inner height and the get bounding client rack lah, rack. I So this is the syntax to get when the box coming out, right? Okay, cool. Right, can see it's coming out, let's try, maybe this is a x-axis, right? Let's try some y-axis thing. Maybe we can style the content, I mean the word content word. Let's get this class, maybe text, right? So if it's the field, right? Okay, style them up. So basically we get them transform, translate y, get them, let's see, positive is going up or down. Oh, okay, positive is going down. All right, so negative is going up. Okay, let me make it 4,000. Okay, okay, make it, okay, everything missing, everything gone, right? So we have to, when the h2, we give them a text lah, text dot text dot show a form will be 0. Sorry, it's y. Okay, same as this. You just have to call the function text. Okay, text cons text. So document dot query selector or text word dot text. Right. So actually we can copy this whole thing and just change to text, right? Text, and then it is text lah, desktop, desktop. Sorry, text as well. Yep, text tree. Okay, make it a trigger bottom as well. Box. Okay, text else text. Right, see whether it's work or not when you scroll down. Okay, it's not working. Hold on. Okay,
Your class.
which one? Class. Let's see. Text for each thing. This one, text. Yeah. Everything showing. Everything showing. Let's see. Text for each. For each of the text. All right, text top. Text show. Text top. Less than trigger bottom. Okay. Class list dot add show. Let's remove this. Permanently showing. Let's comment this out. Okay. Let's not do this in H2. Let's change this to text lah. Transform. Translate y and negative 100%. Okay. 1000. Okay, everything. Okay, this still here, never mind. Because I didn't include everything here. Okay, text dot show translate y 0. Okay, let's try again. Whether it works or not. Okay, no. Okay. Text document dot query selector or dot text. Yes. Okay. So text dot for each text. Okay. Text top equal to text dot getting molding client dot top. Okay, the top. If text top is less than trigger bottom. Okay. Text dot class list dot add show. Else remove dot show. Permanently showing. Why? The y axis. Okay. Translate y. -1000. If it moving at let's say it come from X as well, it's permanently showing. Okay, gone missing without the function. Mind try type out not for copy, right? For each of the tags, right? Arrow function. Okay, const text top equal to text dot get bounding in. Okay, so top if text top is smaller than trigger bottom, right? So text dot class list dot add show, right? Else text dot class list dot remove show. Just maybe give a X. How come? Fresh. The content what is always there. Query. Let's check. And scroll down, the box is working fine. Okay, let's see if try Y. Maybe I try every one of them. Okay, maybe we add some transition to it. Okay, it's working. The word, okay, maybe give it a 1 second. Okay, I think it's working, right? Okay, you can see the word is jumping from top. Okay, make it longer, maybe 1.5 second, so you can see it clearly. Okay, right, you can see it jump all the way from the window there. Hold on. Okay, it got some bug moving, you see. It got some bug, like, okay, you see. Okay, because when we scroll up, every of the content eventually go up of the window, but not the box. All right, so you can see, okay, it all the way come from the top. Okay, I scroll slower, it all the way come from the top. Okay, you see. Okay, I think let's try maybe X as well, and we make it opposite of it, right? We make it opposite of it. Okay, dot text and child A1, right? So this is a positive, we make it negative. This is X, right? And then transform late X with a positive. Okay. You see, if it's opposite side, the box come from the left, the word will come from the right. Is it opposite? Is it opposite? Let's refresh again. Okay, left. Okay, yeah. Box come on the left. This is left. Okay, no. Left, left, left. Negative. Okay, each of the word is coming from left. Yeah, we didn't make it come from left and come on right. Let's try. That's it. Let's try make it the word different color. We can see it easier. Word maybe black. Black. Okay. 1,000. Okay. Let's close this for a moment. 100. 100. Okay. Oh, the text is not okay. Oh, okay. It according. The box can be do on the left and right. Okay. But the word cannot be done. Okay. Is it because it's wrapped inside the div? Okay. 100%. The odd number it won't moving. Okay. Let's try wrap this inside a div. Okay. Wrap div inside a div. Let's comment this out. Hold on. I'll just delete this. Whether it's work or not. Odd will be -100. To be positive. Let's wrap other inside a div. It's true. Okay. Release this. For the text is not workable. It's all done in one row. But the box can. Okay. I try and class this text folder. Okay. Text folder. Okay, it beyond. Okay, text holder. Okay. negative, this is positive. If I wrap them inside a div also cannot. Text holder 100%. If this negative, okay, interesting. Even what? It's not working that way. Okay. No worry, this is a extra as long as we accomplish this, right? Just an extra. I try to move the content word to move along with the boxes. Okay. Right. Let's see. How can we move this X? Okay, if even, every will be even. If odd, you see, if odd. Okay. Let's see. Negative. If positive, going as well. Even. Okay. No worries. We make them maybe just try for the Y will do. Y negative 1000. The was still there. 1000. Okay. It's a 10,000 thing. Everything missing. Okay, if we come back here. Okay, as long as scroll down, the word content pop down. See the word content fly up as well. Okay. Cool. Right. How you guys think about this scroll animation? So I think if in future you do your landing page, you can do some kind of this animation as well. Some of the content that will fly out, okay, to your particular placeholder, right? It's kind of cool thing. So do you guys have like any question? I still have this, haven't solved for it. To for the content word to fly from left and right. Yeah, I'll figure this out. Right. So I send again, says someone come in late. So I get this project idea from this 50 project, 50 days, right? So basically there are 50 project over here. You can go and check them out. It's, I think it's quite useful. Some I think require like API fetching, right? Some feature are quite good for doing our website, right? So they have this kind of like progress step. So maybe next step is what? It will pop out another thing, right? So I think, okay, this loading quite cool as well. Okay, when we have this loading for our landing pages, this FAQ as well, right? So yeah, when we click, right, you can see. So this is, all this is kind of useful in future with doing our own website, right? You see, oh, kind of nice feature over here. I think we done this in our module as well. It's a sticky when it, yeah, right. It's I think this is similar to today's concept. It's about the scroll thing, right? When you scroll up, it will become until a certain height, it will become black, right? Okay. So what else is cool feature? Okay, Pokemon Hoverboard. This quite nice. Okay, when you hover it, I think this regarding some syntax of mouse in and mouse out. So where we in, you see, okay, it's moving. When we out, it disappearing. Maybe they got this last time we used this syntax of set timeout, maybe, right? For particular time, maybe 2 second, 3 second, it will disappear. Where we hovering is I think it's generating random color, you see. Okay, maybe we can use some math random something to generate different color, right? So what else we have here? To-do list. Okay, I think this is a Yi Chang favorite to-do list, right? Okay, okay. See what they have this feature. Okay, they just add on to do. Okay, when it click it, uh okay, line over. Okay, can we delete it? Cannot. Okay, it don't have a like remove function for this. All right. So what else? They have this testimonial box feature. Okay. If we have some kind of review from anyone for our website, we can put it here. I think it's like, yeah, switching. Okay. So I think this is over time. This set timeout as well. I think they're using this syntax of set timeout for like over time. It will change to another and change to another one. Right. Okay. So do you guys have like any question? So I think my session today, yeah, I think I done my session for today, right? So yeah, we can open for any question or topic we can discuss, right? So how you guys thinks about today's section? If you feel okay, just click your raise hand button. Yeah, I see Jackson, Jing Yung, cool, Jack as well. Nelson, you there? Okay, great stuff. All right, so yeah, I think if you guys no question, I read this up for today's session, right? I stop screen sharing. Okay, cool. I think today's session is that's all. If you guys do you know any question? Maybe we can wrap this up for tonight. See you guys next week. Yeah,
Okay, thanks, Joey.
no worries. Okay, thank you. I think next week we'll Junhao taking over. Yeah. All right. So let's call it a night. Thank you guys for joining in tonight.
Awesome session, Joey. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye guys.